Hey students, welcome to Unit 8 of Branding and Identity. This week we're going to focus on the Phase 2, Clarifying Strategy. We focused on building a really solid SWOT analysis for a chosen brand. You can continue on with that same company, or one of the things that you can do is come up with a new company that you're going to focus on for this particular project. If you choose to continue with the same company, let's say it's something that you're planning to do your own business one day, that's terrific. That would really help you strengthen your own strategy moving in. These are the brand brief elements. This week we're going to be building a brand brief. So analyzing by narrowing the focus, developing a brand brief, understanding how to position your brand against the competition. And renaming. Renaming is important. We're not going to focus too heavily on that for this particular unit, but I want you to review the exercise for the faux brand brief. Obviously, faux means you can make it up, or if it exists, that's even better. Follow the guidelines here. Answer the questions. It's sort of a good guideline. There's some areas I need to adjust within here, but go ahead and start by answering those questions and complete that brand brief and submit here. The next thing I want you to do for this week is, for this unit, is to watch the Dumb Starbucks video, what you can learn from it, and the article, and then post within the forum, give your feedback and your opinion. It's some interesting things you can learn from that parody of the Starbucks brand. I look forward to this unit, and let me know if you have questions. I'll see you in next week's virtual video.